Hey, what's going on? It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Y'all know who it is. Welcome back to another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. I got the secret to the Popeye spicy chicken sandwich. Listen, we on our way to get us one. I got 3 or more. It was hard to get. Today, we going to get it. I got the recipe. And I promise you, this secret you do not want to miss. Let's go.
Straight out the mud, that's how we came up. Can't look back at it, we've been through too much. It's pacifying, man, it costs so much. I don't know, do the check I run through. This pain I'm not, do the check I run through.
Yes, sir. That's right, man. We finna go get these chicken sandwiches, see what they all about, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all going with me. Come on, let's go. I told you I stay out in the docks, man. In the damn docks for real. Feel like I'm off the grid. Like you gotta drive to get out here where I'm at. Which I don't mind, cause you know I like being out the way anyway. But yeah, it's gonna be a 20-minute drive to this Popeyes. I think 30-minute drive to the Popeyes. But I'm doing this for y'all. This thing been going crazy out here, man. Like, seriously. These people been fighting, suing people over a chicken sandwich, you heard me? Yeah, so maybe, I don't know, man. Maybe it's what they say it is, you know? A little bit about this channel. Jam, I do music. I'm an artist out of Dallas, Texas. Mr. Money, D Inferno, DMG. You can Google me. You say Google me. The pack is gonna be a lot of travel videos, a lot of behind the scenes. We took a trip out to Cancun, Mexico. That should be coming up real soon on the channel. We got a lot of people working. I'm working hard myself, mucho trabajo. You know, the cooking is self-explanatory. We're gonna be whipping up some dope recipes like this Popeye spicy chicken sandwich. They say it's to die for. To die for. So we wanna go find out. I'm driving an hour out just for you guys. So if you appreciate that and you really appreciate it, smash that like button right now, share this, and leave a comment. I thought it was gonna take 30 minutes to get out here, man. I've been driving already 38 minutes? And we still got about 14, 15 minutes left to go. That's what I got going. I own a restaurant. I own a record label. And that's a little bit about me, Mr. Money, D Inferno, DMG. Right now we in Georgia. We're in North Georgia. About an hour outside of Atlanta. On our way to get this Popeyes. We want the spicy version. They got 2 versions. We doing the spicy. We're gonna make sure we do the spicy version because what's life without a kick? You know what I mean? What's life without a kick? You know what I mean? Jam Packed Cooking, man.
I'm balling your devil, we pray for. I'm flexing your devil, we pray for. I'm flipping and stacking and lay low. I'm flipping and stacking and lay low. I'm balling your devil, we pray for. I'm flexing your devil, we pray for. I'm flipping and stacking and lay low. I'm flipping and stacking and lay low. Devil, we pray for. Devil, we pray for. I'm getting your devil, we pray for. I'm flexing your devil, we pray for. I can't on my blessings, can't do no more stress.
All right, man, we here at the Popeyes. Let's go see. Is it really about all the hype that they talking about, all right? You see, like, they've been doing a lot of capping. This is no cap. We're on our way right now. Let's go.
I'm balling your devil, we pray for. I'm flexing your devil, we pray for. I'm flipping and stacking and lay low. I'm flipping and stacking and lay low. I'm balling your devil, we pray for. I'm flexing your devil, we pray for.
Yeah, man, they said, yeah, we pre-ordered everything, man. They said we wouldn't have to wait, but look, they got Mr. Money waiting in line. And I'm at the back of the line, too, man. But I'm doing this for you right now. If you appreciate, man, smash that like button right now. Because I'm at Popeyes. Seeing what all the cap is about. Maybe it's no cap, but I think it's cap. Now, watch me, man. I'm next in line, man. You see what's going on. I'm just picking up chicken sandwiches, you hear me? Bet.
All spicy.
Spicy. Yeah, make them spicy. How y'all doing?
What's your name?
I'm Mr. Money. What's your name?
Shauna.
Shala. Nice to meet y'all. I'm Mr. Money from D. Inferno. I'm from Dallas, Texas. For the sides, I want the mashed potatoes with the gravy.
You want a dipping sauce? That's why I asked you.
Nah, I don't need no dipping sauce. No dipping sauce for me. I'm taking it with me. There you go.
I don't know if I have change.
Y'all can't break hundreds?
Just let me see if I have change.
Yeah, let me see if you got some change. You gonna be positive today, you heard me? You gonna be a positive person.
Sorry, I was just telling you what I was told.
It's all good.
I don't think I have
You
change.
want her to open my register? I got it in my eye.
Yeah, you just have to bring it up over there.
We blessed though. Never, like I told y'all, man. We got a lot to talk about.
You got it.
Let's talk. Oh man, I'm a happy man now. Appreciate it.
We could as long as we have.
Already, Brooke, I appreciate it. And I appreciate you for making it happen, man. Hey, that's for you and Brooke. Y'all can break it down. We at the chicken house, you heard me? I appreciate that. I heard your sweet tea was bomb too, though.
You want sweet tea?
Yeah,
You want ice cream?
yeah. Listen, I made this happen for y'all. I waited in line behind everybody. I came and got what we came to get. Let's go see what it's about, man. No cap. Let's go. All right, man, listen. We got it. We did it. Y'all smash the like button one time for people that did it. If you ain't got one, get you one, because we finna see what the cap is all about. They told me the sweet tea was good. The sweet tea is bomb, I can't lie. Let's make this happen, y'all. Let's ride. We on our way back to try out this chicken sandwich, baby. We got it in our hands. Let's go.
She don't really know it. They don't really know that I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it.
Listen, I can't wait no longer, baby. It's on. Check this out. We got them. We got a few of them, baby. We got them. We finna see what's all the cap about. So, listen, I went through all this for y'all. If you want to show your appreciation to me and the whole team, smash that like button right now. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, leave a comment, give me some motivation. Let me know if you had the sandwich. I want to know what you think about it. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. Popeyes. It was all cap. Let's go, people, to the first ever episode of the Let's Eat edition of Jam Packed Cooking. Let's eat. All right, here we go, people. Y'all seen me go out and pick up the none other world famous, the internet breaker, the Popeyes spicy Popeyes chicken sandwich. It broke the internet. Hell, it was supposed to be on the market for 8 weeks, and I think it canceled in 2. Everybody's talking about it. It's on over here, it's on over there. Y'all stick around. This is the first episode of the Let's Eat edition of Jam Packed Cooking. Let's eat. Everybody love to eat. So listen, this how I gotta take this off, man. Let me tell you. Let me deep bling, man. Let me put my jewels up, you know. Peoples, listen. Look at her. Come in there. Listen. This is what we got. We got chicken breast. Marinate this chicken breast, and the one and only, none other than some buttermilk. Good old buttermilk. 4 cups of the buttermilk. This is Chef Ray's from Big SMOKEYS. Spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. To our buttermilk, we're gonna add a tablespoon of magic dust. You can get that at www.bigsmokeysbbq.com. Tablespoon of Cajun Seasoning. Alexa, stop. And we're gonna whisk it up. This buttermilk. And y'all ready for it? You can't forget that this is a key ingredient. This is the first key ingredient. That's it. Louisiana hot sauce. You won't pour one over. I heard old head once told me, he said, you can't piss on my shoulder and tell me it's raining yet, man. To our buttermilk, we're gonna go in a little heavy. This is a spicy chicken sandwich, 1/4 cup of Louisiana hot sauce. One more ingredient we're gonna add is about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And directly into the buttermilk. Get them in the fridge, let them marinate 4 or 5 hours. And I got the big secret coming right up. They make this spicy mayo to go on this chicken sandwich. Negro chili habanero. This is what we're gonna use in our mayo. Half a cup, maybe, a little bit more. It smells good. Smell that shit. Yeah, ain't the best color, but taste matter right here. A little bit more than a tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of house seasoning. Magic dust. Half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. This is a blend of different peppercorns. It got pink peppercorns, green peppercorns, and it got pink salt in there also. Give it a whisk. Lemon juice. I know y'all say, this ain't fresh lemon. This is fresh lemon juice. I bought it, fresh from the store. But that's fresh squeezed lemon juice. Spicy mayo. Let's taste it. Most definitely. All right, so we're gonna make some pickles. This is an English cucumber. Did you know there's over, almost 100 varieties of cucumbers in this world? This is very fragile. On Popeye's chicken sandwich, the pickles are English cucumbers. Yeah, we figured it out. We need a brine for our pickles. English cucumbers in a jar, a pickling jar. All type of spices and herbs and everything. That's gonna be good. Our breading. We got about 4 cups of flours, SPG, maybe about almost a tablespoon of SPG, tablespoon of magic dust, and a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. That's the last one. Add the buttermilk brine, let the accents drip, and you see all that spice, just like that. Spread that out, put that in there, and we do it just like the Colonel, baby. We gave you the secret to the brine, the batter, and the chicken. Yeah, just like that. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. Key to this, temperature and the pressure. We got a pressure fryer today. The lid. Put the lid on here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm enjoying myself. I hope y'all enjoying yourself, man. What we doing? Good food, great vibes. What else can you ask for, baby? This chicken is done. And it's got the little crispification that, look at that. Don't miss this. I promise you don't want to miss this. You want that butter, that crispification around the edge. We got the spicy mayo. Boom. Make some for this chicken to lay on. The pickles. Pickles, we love them. Drum roll, please. Crispy. We went too fast, I apologize. Take a look at this. Pressure. Pressure. We putting the pressure on. It's pressure. Chicken. You can't have that. You can't have. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. That's juice. Believe none of what you hear and half of what you see. They did a good job. But what a chicken. Y'all don't believe that juice. Oh, Jesus. No cap. Tell a friend to tell a friend on Instagram, Facebook, all that. I know y'all hear that crunch. Go tell them, share this video so everybody, Popeyes, it was all cow. It was all cow. Go tell them, man. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I want to thank you for watching this show today, man. This is the first edition of Let's Talk, and which is pretty much how we're going to be ending out our vlogs. We're going to come in and we're going to sit down and talk with our people, and y'all leave these comments. Let us know what y'all want us to be doing on this channel, the content, developing more content, and being a great person. But anyways, let's get to it. Today's episode of Let's Talk is about trendsetter. In life, you know, there's nothing wrong with having a role model in life, but you always got to make sure that you're setting your own trends. Say, for instance, the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Everybody is going crazy about it right now. So guess what? Your boy stepped up and did his own thing, and I think I was the best at it. Always put your best foot forward. Make sure you being the best at what you do. You know, perfecting your crowd, especially if you got younger brothers, kids, siblings, whoever watching you. It's always somebody watching you, inspired by what you're doing. Drop a comment. Let us know what you think about the show. We hope you had fun like we did today. Y'all try out these recipes, and we got a lot of travel videos coming. We got a lot of stuff coming for this channel. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, share with your people, your family, your friends, ring the bell, and we'll let you know the next time we jamming and cooking. Peace and love.